Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. Welcome to another episode of Mavens of Manufacturing. This week's episode is sponsored by Factory Fix. Factory Fix is a manufacturing talent platform that combines the power of a talent network featuring over 400,000 skilled manufacturing pros and a recruiting platform built specifically for the manufacturing industry. Today's guest, I'm proud to announce, is Rashmi. Did I pronounce your first name right?
Yes.
And she is a manufacturing engineer at Trane Technologies. Thank you so much, Rashmi, for joining me. I'm really excited to have a conversation with you. I was looking on LinkedIn under your profile, and there was a really great article that your company wrote about you. But before we dive into that, I just want you to have some time to introduce yourself and explain what you do at Trane Technologies, and then provide a little information of who Trane Technologies is and what some of the services that you provide.
Of course. Thank you for having me, Meaghan. Hi, everybody. My name is Rashmi Vadlakonda, and I work as a manufacturing engineer at Trane Technologies. Trane Technologies is a climate innovator and a provider of heating and air conditioning solutions serving customers all over the world. I think the number one thing you'll see when you Google Trane Technologies is our commitment to sustainability and increasing diversity in the field of manufacturing. That makes me extremely proud to work for this company. Um, I guess I want to share a little bit of what I do as a manufacturing engineer in our company. I guess as a typical manufacturing engineer, our day starts off with the MDIs, or management for daily improvements. So we go to the product assembly lines in our factory. We meet the production and operations leadership team, and we kind of see how their production activities went on the previous day, just to see if they're having any issues, if they need any support from the engineering team. And the MDIs have representation from quality, manufacturing, finance, different groups, basically, just to help operations. So our day starts off with that, a lot of energy and meeting all the people who are involved in the process. And then I look at some of my productivity projects, like I try to make process changes, or bring in new equipment, or modify existing equipment to reduce costs or increase productivity. So that's part of my day. Every day actually looks very different. That's what I love about being a manufacturing engineer. It's all about whatever problem comes up, how do you understand the problem, how do you find the root cause, and how do you solve it with all the tools you have.
So, what inspired you to join engineering and manufacturing? And, did you have any family influence? Was it something that you always wanted to be when you were younger? What was your main inspiration for joining this type of sector?
This is not ideal, but honestly, when I came to the engineering, when I decided to pursue a degree in engineering, it was purely by chance and not by choice that I took up mechanical engineering. Um, it happened, but once I started learning and taking on courses in mechanical engineering, I fell in love with it. I loved everything about materials and manufacturing processes, and how you can